Voilà. Depends on what.
You want to have a picture of you here?
Hold on, this. To me, it's too windy.
Really? Are you filming?
Yeah, I am. Yeah. I keep trying to not to, but I think we are going against the wind. Last thing I want is to.
I did a 360.
From now and then, you see people with
Okay.
somebody's jumper there. This is wind protect locker. Stay in the heat for a while to start feeling the heat. Look at that man and the woman walking. You cannot say that they are feeling warm. Depends on where the person has been. If you've been in the sun, it might take a while for you to realize that it's cold. But on paper, it's not 20 degrees. It is supposed to be 16. So it feels like 16 degrees Celsius. That's what the seat says. Yeah?
The kite is now.
Yeah, really? On the other side.
Yeah, if you stand there, you can see them go around.
But no one is renting them. Huh? No, it's for rent.
Yeah, it's verkocht.
The low one, but the high one is empty.
Hij had te huur.
Yeah.
They won't have to see the view, first. You see the roof of this.
This is a brasserie.
about to take away the view of the city.
Yeah. You wanna go to walk on the sea?
No, stay on there.
So you've come to your senses.
Your train leaves in 10 minutes.
I don't see it starting anywhere. This looks like the traditional view. Oh yeah. You can ask him. Maybe it's
No, it's just embarrassing.
2.30, €7. It's rented.
Because I'm not quite.
I'm always interested on the trains because it gives you what you cannot get naturally. That's the only benefit.
Or you can ask him if you want tomorrow.
What?
You can ask him, he's there.
But is it him or is it the passenger?
Well, no, I don't know. How can I know?
What time is it?
He's leaving in 10 minutes. 15 minutes.
She's the coolest on the beach. the girls roller skating. She's well equipped with all the, you know. It's the one combination.
The weather is changing, eh? It's getting overcast.
Those looks like our people. Yeah, I would. Do you have the money?
Yeah, but you need to ask what this is about. How long does it take?
Come and let's ask. We'll sit on the last one, on the other side. At least I would want to be on the other side.